Hello my dear students. In this video we will discuss about the chapter 16 electronic payment system. The introduction of electronic payment system. Every day people buy or sell goods and services for money. Money becomes the major medium of exchange. Today the media used for transferring the value of money is very diversified. The range from the use of simple payment instrument to the use of complex system. Simple payment system to complex payment system. Simple payment system example cash. Complex payment system example cryptocurrency. Okay. Traditional and widely used payment system is physical money. Payment through cash. This is the physical money, which is neither feasible nor practical. That is, security and transportation problems arises in cases where the large amount of transactions are involved. The next concept is discussed about electronic payment system. It is one of the financial arrangement that is intermediated to facilitate. That is, payer and receiver are involved in this process, which is otherwise called as liquidation, clearing system or clearing services, and also it ensures the transfer of value from one subject of the economy to another subject of the economy. And also electronic payment system plays a vital role in modern monetary systems. The term electronic payment refers to payment made from one bank account to another bank account using electronic methods. Okay. Payment system is an essential part of a company's financial operations. But at the same time, it is more complex because different payment systems are there. Some challenges are occurred due to newer payment systems such as Paytm, UPI, Bitcoin, and etc. Throughout the world, more than 750 payment systems are there. Okay. The next concept is classification of electronic payment methods. These classifications are based on the value of money transaction, processing time, processing requirements, security issues, and usability of electronic payment systems. That is, which is divided into two payment systems, that is micro electronic payment system, macro electronic payment system. Micro electronic payment system is one of the online payment system, which is more efficient and frequent payments. And also in this method transaction cost is very low. That is, communication and computational cost are minimized here. Compared to macro electronic payment system, this is lightweight cryptographic primitives and offline payment verification. Macro electronic payment system is very expensive, but it is low cost. In this method, three parties are involved, that is customer, service provider, and payment processor. Customer processes authentication, payment processor issues the micro payments. Here the process or customer pays the payment to the online service provider and get the request goods or services from them, and then service provider deposits micropayments received from the customer to the payment processor and get the money. This is the process of micro electronic payment system. It includes number of algorithm techniques. For example, hash chain algorithm, hash collision, hash sequence, shared secret keys based micro electronic payment system, probability based microelectronic payment systems. The next concept is macroelectronic payment system. This system is higher value of payments compared to microelectronic payment system. which is more rigorous in payment systems. Okay, and also it includes some popular online payments are there, that is card based payment system, electronic account transfer, electronic cash payment system, mobile payment system, and internet payment systems. These payment systems are discussed in next class. Okay, thank you students.